Welcome to Cakes Factory. Your host Sambal Shazadi. Today we are sharing 20 cute mini cakes that are perfect girls' gift for someone you love. Let's jump into the sweetness. The first is tiny pink rose cake, soft pink buttercream with a single pipe rose in the center. Simple, classy, and heartfelt. The next is Happy Your Day or Happy Birthday cake. Pastel blue base with white pipe message. Happy Your Day or Happy Birthday, perfect for any occasion. The next is Smiley Face cake. Bright yellow with a cute black smiley face. Cheerful and full of positive vibes. The next is Mini Heart Bento cake. Heart shaped with pink tones, perfect for Valentine's or anniversary gifts. The next is cherry on top cake, white whipped cream style with a single red cherry on top, retro and cute. The next is pastel ombre cake, mini cake with soft ombre blending pink to peach with floral piping. The next is chocolate drip mini cake. Small cake with chocolate ganj drip and golden sprinkles. Elegant yet indulgent. The next is message cake. It can be any message. I miss you, I love you, you are my favorite friend, happy Mother's Day, any message you want to add. Cute lettering on pastel base. Perfect for sending to someone far away. It's a perfect gift cake. The next is mini teddy bear cake. Adorable fondant bear face on top of a light cocoa sponge. Perfect for kids or baby showers. The next is lavender swirl cake. Lilac base with soft lavender swirl piping and pearls. Calming and elegant. The next is floral worth cake. Tiny pipe roses arranged in a ring, perfect for weddings or thinking of you gifts. The next is miniature rainbow cake. Six color sponge layers inside with plain white outer frosting. A surprise inside. Amazing idea. The next is initial monogram cake. A single letter piped on top with matching mini florals. Personalized and classy. The next is cute animal face cake. Bear, bunny, or panda. Fondant faces, fun, playful, and full of charm. The next is strawberry dream cake, topped with cream and a real strawberries. A fresh, sweet surprise for anyone you love. The next is mini gold accent cake. White icing with gold flakes or dust, tiny but luxurious. The next is cartoon mini cake. Doodles or mini kawaii style characters on pastel base full of personality gives a wow effect. The next is simple dot cake. Plain base with dotted piping all over. Minimal, cute, friendly and modern. The next is mini cake box. Three different designs in one clear lid box. Ideal for gifting variety. The next is mini surprise center cake. Tiny cake with candy or sprinkle filled center. A delightful bit with a sweet twist. If you like any idea, take a screenshot of it and share with others, or bake that cake to make your day more special. Which mini cake design would you give to someone special? Tell us in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe to Cakes Factory for more amazing and awesome ideas. And don't forget to share the sweetness with your friend, family, and your loved ones, because sharing is always caring and a way of expressing your feelings. And see you in the next sweet video. Till that, goodbye.